FUTIAN Roller was founded in 2006, and we focus on the manufacturing of precision rollers, including steel rollers, rubber rollers, stainless steel rollers, aluminum rollers, and conveyor rollers. FUTIAN Roller is an ISO 9001 certified company with license to import and export. Now, 80% of our rollers are exported to North America, Europe, and Israel, etc. FUTIAN Roller has 8,000 square meters of workshop, with 6S site management applied. As a professional roller manufacturer, FUTIAN Roller is aware of the importance of quality, which runs throughout the whole process from production to delivery. We have a regular maintenance schedule for all measuring tools and equipment. Also, we can provide inspection reports for each CTQ dimension and critical parts before delivery. We understand the know-how of roller manufacturing and also have the full experience of material localization. We produce the precision rollers according to customers' drawings and requirements. The roller surface finishing can have chrome plating, nickel plating, zinc plating, painting, tungsten carbide coating, Teflon coating or rubber coating, etc. We regard packaging as a crucial link. Appropriate packaging is important to ensure the good condition and successful delivery of the rollers. As the key part of material handling systems, the rollers we make are widely used in digital printers, textiles, logistics, packaging, new energy, conveyor systems, plastic film, paper making, glass conveyors, chemicals, mining, and other industries. With the vision of providing the best roller solution, FUTIAN Roller looks forward to building a great relationship of partnership and cooperation with you.